I joined the Army as a 68 Whiskey, or a combat medic, and then I spent 8 years serving. I'm currently a industrial electrical apprentice. I'm working on putting up conduit, bending it, drilling holes in cabinets, running wires to power different motors. I first heard about the Path to Pro program when I was getting ready to transition to civilian life, and I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do and how I was going to gain the knowledge and skills necessary to join that career path. The program makes it so easy to find a career field and a career path without having to look very far. Thanks to the Home Depot Foundation's Path to Pro program, I have a great career that I love, and I enjoy paving the way for other women to join the trades.